It is always a good feeling when we complete something. And this 52-week savings challenge is going to be completed today. That way, you can take this 52-week savings challenge and add it towards your emergency fund, because this one is not a $1,000 emergency fund. It is half of that. And that money is going to go towards your $1,000 emergency fund. So I'm excited about completing this savings challenges. And I think I have 2 or 3 more that I've completed. And eventually I'm going to do an unstuffing of all of them. Yeah, before this year is out. But it seemed like it was just yesterday I started these savings challenges. And hopefully you've been following me with one of these savings challenges. I have 7 of them. And I know you can't do all 7, but hopefully you've been following me with one of them. And 2026 is around the corner and we're going to be starting over. So start getting yourself prepared to do a savings challenge in 2026. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. What is my name? And saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025. And we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency fund. And you're going to be happy when you have some money to tap into when that emergency comes. Yes, you will. They come and they can be avoided, but that's okay, because we're going to be ready and we're going to be prepared, because we're going to take small amounts of money. Every time we get some money, we're going to put it away to the side and save it, and it's going to add up over time. Yeah, that's what we're going to use. Small amounts of money and time. Because depending on your financial situation, that's what you might have to do. There's nothing wrong with that, long as you're doing something. Long as you're prepared when that emergency comes. Okay? I have 7 savings challenges. And today is Friday. But I'm not going to do Fridays today. I miss Wednesdays. So I decided to do Wednesdays today. And Fridays, the reason I didn't want to do it, because I have to add, okay, that one I add $125 every Friday. And when I add one more $125, that Friday savings challenge will be all completed. And it will be $6,000 in that. But I want to go ahead and finish up this Wednesday one. And then that Friday one kind of takes me a little more time, and I don't have that much time today. So I decided I'll do the Wednesday one. And maybe next Friday, I'll finish up the Friday one. Yeah, because I got a lot going on. I know I keep saying it, but it's the truth. Okay, so what you need for this savings challenge is this. What is that? $10 bills, okay? Now, and you also need something like this, a photo album. This is a photo album I got from Dollar Tree, and it was $1.25. And but you don't have to use this, and this is not a sponsored video. You can go on Amazon, Temu, TikTok, and look in places like Target and Walmart. They should sell things like this. And this particular photo album has 50 pages. So once it's all stuffed with $10 bills, it will equal up to $500, which can go towards your $1,000 emergency, which will cover emergency up to $1,000. Okay? Or either you can find one that has 100 pages, and once that's stuffed and completed, that will be $1,000. And this is considered cash stuffing. Yeah. So this is a great little savings challenge, I believe, if you're in this situation here because it is working with small amounts of money. Now, and also if you're in this situation, like I said, because it's working with small amounts of money, and what you need to do is, if you're in this situation, find a way to increase it. Have multiple streams of income, more than one, because if something happens to one, you want to have some money to fall back on, okay? And you can do things like become an entrepreneur, start a business, get some side hustles, do something. I know sometimes, and if you work a 9 to 5 that's not paying a lot, find one that's paying more. I mean, I've been on my 9 to 5 for 25 years, and I'd say it on my 9 to 5 because of some of the benefit, for a lot of the benefits that I have, like, I get 5 weeks a year vacation, plus they recognize those holidays like Martin Luther King birthday, President's Day, Veterans Day, Labor Day, all of those holidays that fall on Mondays, which equals up to like, I think 14 more days, which that's another extra 2 weeks. And then I get sick time. And there's a lot of other things. And the thing about my job is I get paid for like 8.5 hours a day. But if I get done with my work in 6 hours, 5 hours, I can go home. Where are you going to find a job like that? You're not. So that's what made me stay there all those years. Yeah. So anyway, now we don't want to just save $1,000. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this was to happen. This here especially, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance, buy food, etc. You get the point. You don't want to be in this you don't want to have be in a situation in this, something like this, and not have any money to tap into. Because if that happens, you would have to go out and get one of these. And you don't want to get one of these. You don't want to get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. If someone doesn't have an emergency fund or 3 to 6 months of their living expenses, they're going to start living off of this. And we want to stay out of this. And this. We want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. And we especially want to stay out of this. This is this. Okay? Yeah. Now, this is okay because this can cause us to have passive income and it can help us to become financially free. Yeah. And you want to do whatever you can to try to come out of this. I am driving without this now, and I do not have this now, and it is so wonderful. And you know what? When I was out, I was coming home from work yesterday, and I was thinking, I don't know if I ever want another car payment. I don't know. I mean, mine is in good condition, and it runs good. I mean, if something was to go wrong, I'm putting money away, where I have money for car repairs or whatever. Matter of fact, I just got it serviced, and I just spent, I think it was $329, which that wasn't a whole lot, but I had the money. So, and I mean, even though when I had a car payment, I was able to pay it, but I didn't like paying it. Okay? And live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Stay out of this. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Okay? And go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. Like right now, I have a pot of chili in the crock pot. Yeah. It's turkey chili. Chili with turkey. So anyway, yeah, do things like that can save you money. And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee, they sell this in the store. You can buy this. You'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our daily affirmations that we are speaking, because the Bible teaches us death and life is in the power of our tongue. We have what we say. We can call those things as be not as though they were. This is basically manifesting things we want and things we need. And we're going to believe that it's going to happen. We're going to receive it, and we're going to expect it. Okay, and we're going to get happy about it before it comes. Okay, so I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare that I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account balance is, and say how much you want it to be, and your savings account balance is. Say how much you want it to be. I decree and I declare all my bills are paid in full and all my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Yeah, you know it. Okay, so say these all day, every day, until you start happening. And even once it happens, keep saying it, okay? And that's how we basically manifest things that we want. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now, I have a viewer that let me know in the comments that, well, they said, Wanda, you missed a video. I think they said the total is supposed to be $490. And they added another one to there. So apparently they're following me with this particular savings challenge. And I want to say congratulations. They let me know that they completed theirs. Oh, that's so wonderful. And I want to say congratulations to anyone who has completed a savings challenge. And even if you're starting, even if you're doing this, whatever you're doing, that's awesome and that's wonderful. And I want to encourage you to keep on. We got to get in the habit of saving money for emergency. This is not saving money to build wealth, okay? That's a whole nother video, whole nother topic. But we're saving for emergencies, okay? So let's go ahead and count our money, and this one is going to be completed today, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Wait a minute, let me start over because it seems like I pulled out too many pages. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, come on now. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 90, 400. Did I count that wrong? 400. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, there's $480 in here. And she's correct. This I looked at my book and it is supposed to be $490 for last week's video that I did not do. I didn't do it last week. Okay, so $490. Let me look at my book right quickly. What's today's date? Today is the today is Friday. But last Wednesday was the 10th. And I did miss a video on the 10th. So the week before that it was $480, and the Wednesday it was supposed to be $490. No, that's not, I mean, she was saying that it should have been completed. Well, you know what? I'm going to leave this $490 here. I got to go back and look at that comment and see what she said. Okay, so this is Wednesday. And I was going to add this and go ahead and complete this. But I think I'm going to do this one next week. Drop me a comment and let me know the viewer that left me this comment about this video, okay? About this savings challenge. All right, so today is, we're saying this is Wednesday, December 10th. And this is our photo album savings hack. That's what I call it. We added $10 and the total amount is $490. Okay. So on the 17th, I'm going to complete this. I was going to complete it today, and I said it in the introduction that I was going to complete this. You know what? I'll go ahead and complete this. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish this one off. Yeah. And then next week, we'll start over. Okay? I don't know. And the only reason I'm going to complete it because I said it in the introduction. Okay. All right. So, and what I'll do is I'll just put this here. I'll just put $20. And we'll make it $500. Yay! All completed. But you know, this just shows you that this is possible to do. Okay? However you have to do it. Sometimes you might have to miss. Sometimes you can double it. But this is possible. Okay? All right. So if you're doing, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining. If you're doing this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.